Hey, what's going on, Zoe?
Hi, we got you have a present.
We have a new gift in from Amazon. We have a special
We got you have toy.
item. It is the Write and Learn Creative Center. 11 pieces. VTech. She loves her VTech. Sit over here, Zoe. Zoe, sit over here. What are you doing? Sit down. She loves her VTech phone. I decided to get her this. She's always playing with the actual magnet writing thing she has, but it's just that. This one actually has the letters and songs that she can, and stencils she can write along with. So without further ado, I'll cut it open and you can open it.
So you open it. So don't cut. So we can't cut our hands, guys. So let's open this. Wow, look at that. So we got you have special at the mail, right?
That's right, Zoe. We got this special in the mail. Especially for Zoe. All right, go ahead and open that bad boy up. Take it out. See what we got.
I can't.
Okay, pull it out. There you go. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Comes with the batteries. 2 AA. That looks so cool. So cool. So let's go ahead and open this up and show everyone. Let's see. Daddy's excited for this. I want to play this.
Well, look at this.
Yeah, look at this. All right, so we have the back here. So look, Zoe, I already know where these are going. Right here. So these go on the back. Look, Zoe, like this. So you're going to put those back here. So whenever you want to draw one, you just pull it out. Oh, go get Daddy's screwdriver. You know where it's at? Here it is, y'all. So we have this. Look. You could, look everybody, we'll show them. Show them how to do it, Zoe. Show them how to do it. Put the house on there. Put the house on there.
There.
Yep. There we go. Put the house and then you just erase it. So we'll put, okay, love. Here, you can play with it while I get the screwdriver and put in the batteries.
Here.
And see the toy.
So we got you have special. So we got you have special. You want to see my present? All right.
All right, everybody's looking at your present. Decided to get this for her. She's in pre-K right now. Going on to kindergarten next year, so this is gonna help you with everything. So we have the green button for on. Look, Zoe.
Hello, let's play. Press the letter buttons to spell your name and press.
There you go.
When you're done,
So you have the
B,
B.
B,
Yeah. See, let me show the camera. So you have different buttons to do different things. All right. Well, without further ado, we're gonna let Zoe take over and enjoy her toy. Just wanted to do an unboxing of the VTech toy that we have here with the screen. All right, love. Enjoy it. Say, see you later, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out. We don't have a package coming in tomorrow, darling.